Hi everyone, I'm Robert Hargrove, North American Sales Manager here at Analytic Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a powerful piece of equipment, the BCD315-12-12 battery charger. This charger is a 12 volt in, 12 volt out, 300 watt DC to DC isolated battery charger. Whether you work in marine, industrial, or military applications, we've got a product that's right for you. So let's dive right in. Inside the box, we got a few things going on here. Of course, first of all, we're going to have our battery charger. Let's just get rid of some of this packing material. And we're going to have a box of accessories. First up, let's look at the accessories, see what they sent us. You can see everything's securely packed inside the boxes, meaning nothing's going to get damaged while you're shipping. We've got a set of Anderson connectors here. These connectors are going to be used to help us set up our off-grid installation in the next video. Let's see what else we got here hiding underneath. In addition to that, we've also got a remote control. We've got our RCP1 BCH remote. Let's get rid of that and have a look here. So this remote is going to connect to the DB9 port on the charger, and it's going to replicate your LEDs on the face of the charger. It also gives us the remote on-off capability, and we can dim it so that we don't drain the batteries that we're connected to, overloading them. Next up, let's have a look inside the main box. Again, everything's been carefully packed with this nice expanding foam. First thing we find inside the box, we've got our battery temperature sensor. So if you're going to be charging your batteries for a long time, this is going to allow us to compensate the voltage based on the temperature of the batteries. Next up, we've got the charger itself. Let's get that out of here. The charger itself is in a marine grade aluminum chassis. You've got the same LEDs here as you do on the remote control. We've also got the on-off switch here. We've got battery temperature sensor and a 2-stage, 3-stage select switch, along with a voltage adjust, a manual equalize, and your remote connection. You're also able to ground this system if you need to. Let's get that completely out of there. So you can see all the way around, it's an extremely rugged product. This is the kind of product you want to install in your off-grid installation, in your vehicle, or on your boat. Next up, let's go over some of the specs. We're going to pop a few of those specs right up here on the screen, but some of the highlights include a 20 amp output at 13.6 volts. We've got low ripple noise, less than 25 millivolts. We've got input to output isolation of 1500 volts DC, and with a built-in coefficient of up to 60 millivolt per degree C temperature compensation. It's also able to run 100% duty cycle, so you can run it 24/7, 365, keeping those batteries charged up. Installation itself is very flexible. You can either wall mount this charger or shelf mount it. We also offer several options, such as a portable handle, a digital meter, as well as a full military package, including connectors, filters, and ruggedization. That's the BCD315. Rugged, reliable, and ready to go wherever your power systems may take you. If you need precision charging in demanding environments, this is the charger for you. Next time on the channel, we're going to be installing this charger in an off-grid cabin to charge heavy equipment such as tractors and pickup trucks. If you want to have a look at that installation, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you found this video helpful, drop us a line down in the comments below. Thanks so much, and see you in the next video.